Here's how to fix Google Chrome redirects. Click the three dots in the top right and go to Settings. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Scroll down and click Pop-ups and Redirects. Under Default Behavior, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This blocks most redirect activity immediately. If redirects continue, go back to Settings, scroll down to the left sidebar and click Reset Settings. Then select Reset Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking the Reset Settings button. This clears any browser configuration that may have been altered. If the problem still persists after resetting, it may indicate malware on your PC. Run a full scan with your antivirus software or use Windows Defender, which comes pre-installed on all Windows computers, to detect and remove anything causing the redirects. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.